Oil inching towards $90, and Boeing takes a huge charge on the Dreamliner. Coming up here in the Job. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhaver here with Exential Wealth Advisors. It's 7:46 here in the middle part of the country on Wednesday. It is January 26, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. Let's start off with oil, the globe's commodity. It is inching towards $90 a barrel. Of course, I'm talking about the Brent benchmark. That's the benchmark we use all around the world, except here in the US, right? We use WTI. It's a couple bucks less. Nonetheless, energy prices continue to increase all around the world. What does that mean for the global economy? Well, it really is just a straightforward tax on all types of economic activity, especially in higher industrial manufacturing parts of the economy. That tends to be a big input cost. Now, we've talked about companies doing a lot of capital expenditures, a lot of heavy building, right? We're sort of in a capex boom from an economic perspective if the price of oil continues to climb. And quite frankly, there aren't a lot of headwinds to that, right? You've had structural undersupply for years. The US had the shale fracking boom. It went bust. Banks didn't lend for new production for the last 6 years, quite frankly. And now you have a structural undersupply globally in the commodity of oil. As energy gets more expensive, that dampens global economic returns, and quite frankly, prices continue to go up. We have to reset our expectations for the global economy. It just becomes too expensive to grow too quickly. Boeing, huge charge on the Dreamliner, $3.5 billion. It is generating positive cash flow on a go-forward basis. Huge delays because that plane is just too tough to manufacture correctly. I think they are working out some of the kinks, but just still, I mean, Boeing's had a really rough couple of years here, right? It had the 737 MAX, which crashed a couple of times, and then it had to delay that. 787 not really rolling into production like it should. Airbus continues to take market share as lots of planes get ordered, which is kind of puzzling to me, given that we haven't seen air travel come back, especially in business travel from the COVID pandemic. Boeing seems to be in kind of a tough spot here, quite frankly. Again, getting out competed, having manufacturing issues. Let's hope they can continue to turn this ship around. It doesn't seem like a good spot at all. Last but not least, before we get you off to a nice Wednesday, in wonderful news for my niece, who is right now in a phase where all she does is wear Disney princess dresses all the time. I wish I had her fashion sense and her confidence. Mattel gets the licenses to produce Disney dolls. I'm sure I will be buying quite a few. Mattel stock up quite a bit on the news. Of course, Disney is a huge property. They make millions of dollars a year, and having that IP is crucial to their business success. If you want some additional information throughout the week, feel free to find me. I'm out there on the internet. Until then, I hope you have a very nice rest of your Wednesday. I am out.